Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing for you all. This time it's a portable tire inflator from the brand ThinkRider. I got this from AliExpress for my bicycle. This can actually inflate cycles, bikes, cars and balls as well. Taking a look at the device, the product comes in a neat packaging. Inside the box you have the device itself, few accessories and few goodies. We'll take a look at it. First thing first, you have this user manual which we can toss aside, and then you have this extension hose. And then you have this carrying pouch. Along with that you have few accessories. This one has a USB-C cable. This charges using USB-C, which is a good addition, one less cable to carry. Then you have the ball needle that is used to inflate basketballs and footballs. And then you have two different types of valve. One is the shadow valve and the other one is the Presta valve, which is neat. Depending on which one you use, you can swap between both of those. Taking a look at the device itself, it's pretty small, compact and solidly built. There's a screw-in hole where you could screw in the valve or the extension hose. On the top you have this small LCD and a few buttons. The LCD is pretty bright and it's legible to read on a bright sunny day. Once you press this on button, you can turn it on. Then you have the arrows to control the PSI, and then if you double click the top arrow, you have a small LED that turns on, which is a neat addition for those night rides. Once you set the PSI, just press the on button and that should start inflating the tires. This one supports auto shut off, which means that once the PSI is reached, it automatically shuts the inflation. I was able to inflate my bicycle tire from 0 to 90 PSI twice. This one only supports 500 mAh battery, so 2 inflation is pretty neat, and considering that this is so small and pocketable. You can screw in the valves on the other end of the extension hose. I would recommend using the extension hose. The reason is because when you start inflating the tires, there's a heat transfer. So it's better to use this so that there's no heat transferring to the valves of the tire, because those are delicate. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this device. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, do leave it in the comment section below.